Alrighty, up next we have our dumbbell reverse fly. This is going to be standing. So we can do our reverse flies on the bench as well, guys. That's completely okay. This is our standing variation. So making sure when we approach dumbbells, we're coming down, we're into that hip hinge pattern, we're not squatting, get those knees out. We want to feel those hamstrings and glutes. From here, as we start to go with our reverse fly, we're going to have those hands, we can work either pinky out, so a pronation or a supination. The key here with the reverse fly, guys, is making sure that we're hitting that rear delt. So some people may find they get more rear delt with that pronated grip, so knuckles out or forward. Others might find that neutral grip, they get more rear delt. But the big key factor there is making sure that we're tracking relatively horizontal. So as we pull out, we're coming straight up. We don't want to be flying backwards like Superman. So as I pull up, I don't want to come back, all right? What I also don't want to be doing is squeezing my back as tight as I can. The rear delt is at the back of the shoulder. So our reverse fly, in order to hit the back of the shoulder, requires that that rear delt is working, okay? If we're squeezing our back, getting mid-trap, upper and or lower trap working, as well as rhomboids, then we're doing more of a row pattern, or we're hitting the muscle groups of a row, rather than isolating the rear delt. So keep that in mind. Don't need to go super heavy. It's a small muscle, it fatigues quickly. So finding a weight which targets it, and you can acutely feel it starting to switch on, then that's what we're after. We're not after blowing it out of the park. You're not gonna do the same weight as when you do your normal flies. It's not gonna be the same weight. Okay, it's gonna be a lot less. So keep that in mind for me for your reverse fly.